Broadcast Jamaican now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The Medical Association for Jamaica, MAJ, say nearly 50 of them members are waiting on the Ministry for Health for give them the go-ahead for start give out the COVID-19 vaccine them. The Opposition People's National Party, PNP, said the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency, MOCA, need for looking at some money were missing from the Jamaica Customs Agency, JCA. 6 cruise ships are come at Jamaica this week, with the Ida ship are come at the Falmouth port in Chilani today. The Jamaica Football Federation, JFF, said them right to FIFA about how the referee go on at the CONCACAF World Cup qualifying match between the Reggae Boys and America Tuesday gone at the National Stadium. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Broadcast Jamaican for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. The Medical Association for Jamaica, MAJ, say nearly 50 of them members are waiting upon the Ministry for Health for give them the go-ahead for start give out the COVID-19 vaccine them. As according to Dr. Brian James, who is the president for the MAJ, 46 doctors have some cold place for store the vaccine them, and although them ready for give the vaccine them, the ministry still not send nothing to them. Wednesday gone, Dr. Melody Ennis, who run Family Health Service in the Ministry for Health, say only 15 out of the 100 private doctors them are give out the vaccine right now. The Opposition People's National Party, PNP, said the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency, MOCA, need for looking at some money were missing from the Jamaica Customs Agency, JCA. This week in a parliament, the Auditor General said over $2 billion worth of money missing and $664 million still out there for collect. As according to Julian Robinson, who the opposition spokesman pan finance, the government need to find out all the money missing and if not bandulo business go on. The Auditor General Department did do some special audit at the JCA private place where them store goods and finds that certain things go against the law and all heap of money out there where the JCA no collect. 6 cruise ships come at Jamaica this week, with the Ida ship are come at the Falmouth port in Chilani today. Since cruise ships start come back here from August, these are the busiest weeks so far. As according to Edmund Bartlett, who the Minister for Tourism, this a week you gone down in the history book them, and the Ministry for Tourism, the Ministry for Health and Wellness and the Port Authority work together to make sure say Falmouth safe and the people them who come out here are follow the COVID-19 rule them. On top of that, Bartlett say the fact that 6 ships come out here in a 1 week shows that the cruise ship sector are come back and the country expect to get 75,000 cruise passengers between November and December this year. Prime Minister Andrew Holness said 2 smart to get locked up for kill Constable Duvan Brown in a Westmoreland. Holness said this when him did a talk with Mabel Forbes, or Constable Brown mother, when him did it in a Westmoreland where they under one state of emergency SOE. Holness said him sorry for the policeman killing and the police are do everything for lock up everybody who involved. As according to the police report, around 9:30 p.m., Brown go and shop where they near in the Nagod Town district area in Witter and Westmoreland, but gunman shot him up, him dead at hospital. Gunman shot and killed one man in a Elgin Town, Hanover, on Wednesday. The dead man at 20 years old, Delano Hines. As according to the police report, Hines did a riding bike upon the Elgin Town main road around 7:45 in the morning when gunman shot him up. Some reports say Mr. Hines did move from Jericho in a Westmoreland for live with some family member little over a year ago. Now for sports. The Jamaica Football Federation, JFF, said them right to FIFA about how the referee go on at the CONCACAF World Cup qualifying match between the Reggae Boys and America Tuesday gone at the National Stadium. One late header from Damian Lowe would have made Jamaica beat America 2-1, but Gabriel Calderon, who the Costa Rican referee, said the goal never good. Him said Lowe foul Walker Zimmerman when the two of them go for the ball. But only for people who know about football say a foul never go on and the goal should have stay. People, I just remember when said the curfew around from 9 p.m. tonight and then 5 a.m. in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Broadcast Jamaican just give the news in the Jamaican language.